you're okay. Hey, that's well framed. Good job. Hey, shh, 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 shh. All right.
Chill though, Rocco.
This is you gotta be chill, man. I'm trying to talk.
He wants to tell his own story.
Okay, Rocco, how did it go?
To hear the inside perspective would be fascinating.
It was dark. It was sloshy. Don't remind me.
The trauma.
It was so scary. And then I saw a light approaching. I heard
And I was
screaming.
like, no, I don't want to go out there.
And then I splashed into the tub. And then I swallowed water. And then I fell asleep. And now I'm here. My brother. It's curly blonde hair. Alright, this is Rocco Bear, Cola. And he was born Monday. What's the date?
The 19th.
The 19th, October 19th, 2020. Hey, let's see, does this work? What's wrong? Hi, you're okay. Do you like a kiss on the nose?
He's kissed his whole face.
So Rocco, we went into the birth house at 10:30 and he was born at 4:49. 7 pounds, 6 ounces, 21 inches long, 15-inch head. 14-inch head. 15 would have been brutal. And Joy is a superhero. Just pushed him out. An hour of active pushing. 45 minutes of pushing. 2-3 hours of active labor. A lot of walking around. He was birthed in a bathtub, just like Leo. Jovi was almost birthed in a bathtub, but we couldn't fill it in time. Rocco took his time, and here he is. He's a cutie pie. He's a little wrinkly right now, but I think he'll straighten out eventually. We'll see. All right. So Rocco, when you're 30 years old, you can watch this. This is you.
And this is Dad.
And this is me. I have dad hair, and I'm wearing my sweatpants. I didn't even try. This didn't even turn a light on to make my face look better. We're just hanging out. I think that's the story. Is there anything else that happened? We ate some nuts at the birth house. There was another lady giving birth at the same time, and for a while we had one midwife going between us, and she was like, just hold on having that baby business. We have to have another baby come out. And so we didn't break the water as fast as we wanted to. So that, I think, is what made him take a little longer than we expected. Because we thought, they say third babies just fly out. But he was in between Leo and Jovi as far as timing and effort goes. My effort was the same for all three.
No, more this time too. You said you were awake for more.
Yeah, that's true. Joy didn't wake me up for Leo and Jovi till it was like game time.
Your awareness of this.
But I was like watching the whole process slowly escalate until baby comes out. It's crazy. You are a lot of work. The whole head has to come out.
All of it.
The whole thing. But Leo came out with his hand up by his head, and you didn't, so that's nice of you. They had to kind of pull you out, though. You don't seem remorseful about it.
They did?
Yeah, she grabbed his head.
Whoa.
And then kind of helped on that last push.
Wow.
I was in the bathtub with you, or like my knees,
That's probably why it hurts so much more than I thought.
and Mom was leaning up against the tub onto my legs.
You almost passed out this time. That was a different.
I almost barfed.
That's right.
Because the bathtub they turned on, and then it got really, really hot, and then your mom started leaning on me to do her thing. What is it called? Contractions. And I was like, I know you're going through a lot right now, but I need to tap out. I'm going to go take a chill pill. So I went outside and I didn't barf. I've barfed from overheating before. So we kept the door open. We got some cold air
Really good.
on Mom's face.
I think they crank the heat when the baby's about to come.
Yeah,
'cause they need-
because you need to be hot. Bath was hot, cold air on the face. That's the way to do it. We have locked in birth. That's the way. We've nailed it. We found the key. He's got like dark blue eyes, kinda gray. I don't know whose nose he has, or whose chin, or whose ears.
Both ears are different, so I've noticed.
You have two very different ears.
Yeah?
Yeah. That's funny. Hopefully he'll look like one of us soon. The head gets a little smashed coming out, so.
You're changing rapidly.
He's 3 days old right now.
If
He was born Monday,
before-
Tuesday. Today's Wednesday. Yeah, 48 hours.
This is his third day. Starting this week.
Yeah, crazy. And Mom's birthday's in 4 days too. So you really kind of just hijacked this whole
You
situation.
know, it was perfect timing.
Perfect time. You're the best birthday present in the world. All right, signing out. Isaac Colavecchio, October 21st, 2020.
With my new son.
Let the record show. Do you want to be in this at all? Do you want to say hi to Rocco?
No.
All right.
Maybe
Maybe
the next one.
the next one?
Maybe in the next video. I don't know.
The next baby? Very content. He gets. Oh, there it goes. Good toot. Did that hurt? Felt like it hurt. That was a lot of pressure. Whew. Wow. Oh yeah. Let it all out, buddy. It's very squirty. It's a weird smell.
Talk about it. Tell us.
It reminds me of something in my childhood. It's like eggs, I think.
Mm.
It's very
Sulfuric.
sulfuric. Yeah, reminds me of my grandma's house. She used to make hard-boiled eggs with like the stinky cheese hanging up in the.
He's a cola.
He's a real Italian. He's real comfortable now though, so I don't know if I can change his diaper.
Don't know if you can do that.
I mean, he's been slowly fading, you know.
You can't let him fall asleep with poop on his booty.
Yeah, no one would be able to be near him. Just checking. It had a lot of shoot power, might have just shot through.
Scared to check.
Felt impact on my hand.
Oh.
Oh,
His eyes are so big.
more. Does it feel good? Oh, you can feel his whole body.
Mm-hmm.
I guess that's still true for humans as adults.
Now that I think
Yeah, that's about the same experience we all have. I can just feel your whole body all at once. How long are you supposed to wait from first poop to last poop? Don't want to be changing him.
Mm-hmm.
Have that little shooter blast off on me. Ah, that new baby smell.